The Telangana Legislative Assembly on Sunday passed the Telangana Employees Accountability and Monitoring of Parental Support Bill 2026, a landmark legislation aimed at ensuring financial security for senior citizens by mandating salary deductions from individuals who neglect their parents. Under the new law, the provision applies to government employees, private employees, and public representatives, including MLAs, MLCs, corporators, and sarpanches. The bill provides for a deduction of 15% of salary or 10,000 rupees, whichever is lower, from individuals found neglecting their parents. The deducted amount will be directly transferred to the parents who file complaints of neglect. Complaints under the law will be examined through a quasi-judicial process by a designated authority, likely the district collector, while a proposed senior citizens commission will serve as an appellate body. Chief Minister of Telangana, A. Revanth Reddy said, the bill goes beyond the existing Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 by extending coverage to private employees and elected representatives, which were not included earlier. He described the legislation as a social responsibility aimed at reinforcing moral values and ensuring accountability. Citing the case of Vijay Pad Singhania, the former chairperson of Rainman Group, who was allegedly neglected after transferring his assets, Revanth Reddy said individuals who fail to care their parents must be brought under legal accountability. He also termed it unfortunate that such legislation had become necessary, stating that those who neglect their parents have no right to live in society. Konda Sureka, Cabinet Minister for Forest and Environment, echoed the Chief Minister's remark calling for a change in societal attitudes toward the elderly. Meanwhile, BJP MLA Payal Shankar described the bill as a first-of-its-kind initiative and suggested increasing the penalty amount further. K. Samba Siva Rao, politician and industrialist, also extended support to the legislation. The bill, once implemented, is expected to strengthen parental welfare and introduce greater accountability among employees and elected representatives across Telangana.